Hey, what's up everyone? Since the last video ended up running longer than I expected, I decided to split it up into two videos. Here in this one, I'm going to be picking up on the resume page and adding the content to that along with the styling. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks. Okay, but resume over there. Let's go ahead and give this the same background color. Let's just do body with the background color, right? Left, fix that. Got resume. Okay. Over here, my app bar. Let's take the copy. Resume. I guess this, from what I learned, needs to be in a main. Let's go ahead and X copy. Ah, dang it. I hate when I do that. Last name, app bar. It should be over there now. Resume, no styles. That's it. Module CSS. So let's just copy, paste, and then we would name this one. Which one's, yeah. Rename. It's resume. Oh. Okay, and then this, I guess we'll leave that there. Yep. Okay, now I'm good with that. Import styles from okay, so that should work now, right? Back over here. Two errors. What the heck is link resume? Oh, it's not imported. There we go. Oh, that is interesting. Styles.appbar. Whoop. There we go. Need to put it in both of these spots. That's really what I need it for. Okay, cool. Hey, so watching this as I edit, I'm realizing how shameful it is. Obviously, I should have just thrown this into the global CSS defined as the style. When I was first doing it, I was confused as to how to import the main.css, but I've since learned that it's imported in the, I think the app.js. I think it's actually underscore app.js for these next apps. So it being pulled in there, and then I just define the class and then set the class name on the app bar component. That way I won't have these duplicated class definitions in the CSS. But yeah, I just wanted to throw it in here to kind of do a disclaimer that I'm not so dumb to, well, I guess I am so dumb to duplicate it first before I catch it with setting the appropriate styling. On here, I think resume kind of makes sense to have like a bulleted, maybe like do like a, can I do some kind of timeliney looking thing? Let's Google it. Create timeline with
I think I've seen this in some video or something, that they created like a timeline looking kind of thing. Yeah, there we go. This is kind of what I want. Container right. I don't really class. Okay, and where's my Ugh. that is my attitude towards CSS. This is ugh. You know what? Let's see. Let's just power through and try to see what I can come up with on my own. Right? That's the way to do it. Who needs the internet? Okay, so here this main is going to have a display flex direction column, class name equals styles dot main. Cool. Let me scroll this over. So this should look better here. Yep. Okay, now let's throw some divs in. Boom. Okay, so now over here we should have boom, boom, boom. Why is this indented here? Am I crazy? Oh, it's because it's based off of the... So if I just give it class name, let's call this what? What do we want to call this? Styles dot work block. I don't know. Not great at coming up with names. So let's go back over here, do a little bit of styling dot work block. If I just do for this whole thing, I want it to do like the whole width here. Width of 35. All of them, see how that looks. Should all look the same at least then. And that does something for me. I still think that's a little large. Okay, now if I do a margin on these, let's do just a margin bottom of, I don't know, 5 pixels. And then border left. Let's do a nice 5-point solid black. Let's see if we can kind of make it look like a nice line going down. Okay. That's the main. If I do a gap of just 4 pixels, that's what I want. Okay. Let's do the gap of 5 pixels. How's that look? Okay, cool. What if can I throw in another one up here above it? What's that look like? Let's just throw some dates in here. Well, 16 through 17. This would have been 17 through now. Roundabout. I don't think I care that much. What's that look like? Okay, so expect my margin's huge there. Okay. Yeah, margin on my P. It'd be nice if I just knew this stuff. CSS set child style. There's gotta be, do I just do the space? Space P? Does that get it? Sure looks like it, don't it? Ah, that's so big. Why is it doing that? Why is it back to that? Didn't I? Oh, it's because I didn't set it over here. Gap 5. Fix. There we go. What's the... Help me out here, guys. What am I supposed to do here? Do I set a style for all of these, or what I'm gonna do instead is just start. And if anybody's watching and they know what I should be doing here, that's great. Let me know. CSS, man. That's not what I'm good at. So let's call this the date range. Cool, that works for me. Let's just call it date range 50. That should set it. Boom. Exactly. That's not what I want, obviously. Maybe like 25. That's probably too much too. There you go. Yeah, that's pretty good. No. Let's do like a 15 on here, or 20. Let's call this role title. I don't know. I'm also very bad at this naming thing. Role title. And we'll give this a nice bump, because that's surely what I want to really stick out here. Boom. Yep. This 5 points a little much. Let's do a 3. And then it'd be really cool if I could do like a nice circle up here. I think that's gonna require something like a flex and an absolute positioning, and that's just not something I'm super comfortable with. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now, I think, and throw these class names on here. There we go. Okay, I like that. Maybe let's do some coloring changes on these. What looks good? Ooh, I think I'm gonna do for my scroll, instead of black, I'm gonna do that. That's gonna look nice. Ooh, yeah. There we go. That's good. This color scheme on my, let's do color for these date range. Let's do, what's this look like? I think that'll probably be too much. What's the matter with you? Do I just need that on the end? Ooh, I kind of like that. Yeah. I think here I need a little margin on the bottom of the title. Margin bottom. Just give it a little breathing room. do anything. Am I crazy? Am I crazy? Margin. Okay, being overridden by the work block. Okay, that's why. I just feel like everything shouldn't have a style, right? Am I crazy? I guess that's just kind of how it works. Role description. I don't love that. Seems wrong. Role DSC. Okay. Oh. Picky, so I'm going to put that in the order that I think it should go. Okay, margin. Now if I do 0, 100, it should be, oh, it is. Da da da. Da da da. If I just do 10. Whoop. 10, 10. Well, I don't need 10, 10 then, you dummy. It gives me 10. Right? Okay. Except I don't like that, so let's do 20, 10. Yeah, there we go. That just kind of pushes it down a little bit. Zero. I do want a little bit on these, I think. What if I just make these 10 instead of 0, 10? How's that look? Does that look pretty good? Yes. I think I can live with that. I think I need to add a home button back here as well. Let's see, what's this look like if I just do that? Styles link, that goes back. Home, do I want to call it home or pack or projects? What's that get me to? Projects. Okay, cool. I can live with this. So that's something. Resume back over here. Last job. Your job. That kind of looks like a nice timeline kind of thing. I think above here I'd like to have some kind of brief cover lettery kind of thing that I have. Work block. Let's just give it that style. Boom. Okay, so that's not exactly what I want. Work summary. Let's call it that. Let's just call it a summary. So let's go ahead and start from here because that was close, right? Summary. I'd like this one to just be, I feel like if it's slightly wider, it will look a little bit better. I don't want the border there. Boom. Maybe a little bit bigger font size up to like 18. What's that look like? Yeah, there you go. That looks pretty reasonable. Boom. Needs more more margin on the bottom. Let's do 15. More. 25. Okay. And then let's do a nice little block here. Div. What if I do an H2? I don't even know. Timeline. There we go. Resume. These could probably have a different. Oh, pretty good. That's not great. I don't love it. This is missing something over here. Maybe like a projects resume. It just doesn't look good. That's fine. I'm okay with that for now. I think over here I'm eventually gonna want this to have like card kind of looking things. Every other thing I've done, I've used Material UI, and I don't really know why I didn't do it here. I think I just wanted to try some CSS, and I think we've learned together that I'm not any good at it. Because who is? Maybe that'll be another video where I come in and move this to like a Material UI kind of thing that looks way better. So yeah, you kind of notice how we came into this today, and it was I didn't start from zero and start going. I had something here, and that's because yesterday I did this to start the app, and I recorded it and everything, and then it ended up being a corrupted video of me doing it. So I just talked to my computer for an hour and a half for nothing yesterday. The point I'm trying to make is I'm just an average developer. I'm not anything. I'm not a prodigy, but I think I can make some cool stuff. And I think I can put value out there. So, and I think I can have a lot of fun making stuff. And that's going to be the point of this channel, is me making stuff and having fun with it and bringing you guys along with the ride. And at the same time learning stuff. So I definitely still want to keep on learning, and I will do that by doing. And I think that's the best way to do it. So yeah, hope you guys come along. Thanks for tuning in. Later.